In the world of agriculture, few crops boast the versatility and culinary appeal of okra. This green, finger-like vegetable, often associated with Southern cuisine and various global dishes, has become a staple for many farmers seeking profitable ventures. Among the myriad of okra varieties, 5 stand out for their exceptional marketability, yielding not only bountiful harvests, but also significant profits. Each of these varieties has unique characteristics that cater to different consumer preferences, culinary uses, and market demands. The first variety that captures attention is the Clemson spineless okra. Renowned for its smooth, spineless pods, this variety has become a favorite among home gardeners and commercial growers alike. Its tender texture and mild flavor make it an ideal choice for frying, steaming, and including in stews. Clemson spineless thrives in warm climates and is resistant to many common pests, which reduces the need for pesticides and increases profit margins. Its high yield and ability to produce continuously throughout the growing season contribute to its profitability. The demand for this variety is consistently high, especially in southern markets, where it is often featured in traditional dishes, making it a reliable choice for farmers. Next on the list is the Burgundy okra, a variety that not only stands out for its striking color, but also offers unique culinary possibilities. This variety produces deep burgundy pods that turn green when cooked, adding visual appeal to any dish. The Burgundy okra is favored by chefs and home cooks looking to add a splash of color to their meals. Its flavor is slightly sweeter than that of other varieties, making it a delightful addition to salads, stir-fries, and pickled preparations. The market for specialty vegetables has been on the rise, and Burgundy okra fits perfectly into this niche. With its eye-catching appearance and versatile use, it commands a premium price, making it an attractive option for growers aiming to tap into gourmet markets. The third variety, lady's finger, also known as bindi in many parts of the world, is a staple in Indian cuisine and has gained popularity in Western markets as well. This variety is characterized by its slender, elongated pods and tender texture. Lady's finger is known for its exceptional flavor, which shines in dishes such as curries, stir-fries, and even as a fried snack. Its adaptability to different climates and soil conditions makes it a favorite among farmers in various regions. As the global interest in diverse cuisines grows, so does the demand for lady's finger in international markets. Its appeal to both traditional and contemporary cooking styles ensures that it remains a profitable option for growers seeking to cater to a broad audience. The fourth variety that has garnered attention is the Cajun Delight okra. This hybrid variety is specifically bred for high yield and disease resistance, making it a favorite among commercial growers. Cajun Delight produces thick, meaty pods that are perfect for gumbo, a dish that has seen a resurgence in popularity. As more people seek out authentic Louisiana cuisine, the demand for Cajun Delight has surged. Its robust growth and ability to withstand adverse weather conditions make it a reliable choice for farmers looking to maximize their profits. Additionally, Cajun Delight is often featured in farmers markets, where consumers are eager to purchase fresh, locally grown produce. Its strong market presence and culinary versatility ensure that it remains a top contender in the okra business. Finally, the fifth variety that stands out is the emerald okra. This variety is known for its deep green color and firm texture, making it ideal for both fresh consumption and processing. Emerald okra is particularly popular among food processors who use it for freezing and canning. As consumers increasingly seek convenience foods, the demand for pre-packaged okra has grown, and emerald okra fits this market perfectly. Its ability to retain its quality during processing ensures that it remains a sought-after option for manufacturers. Moreover, the emerald variety's high yield and resilience to pests contribute to its profitability, making it a favorite among growers who supply both local markets and larger food distributors. Each of these 5 okra varieties has carved out its niche in the agricultural landscape, driven by unique characteristics that appeal to consumers and chefs alike. Clemson spineless stands out for its ease of cultivation and consistent demand, while Burgundy okra captivates with its vibrant color and gourmet appeal. Lady's finger caters to the growing interest in diverse cuisines, while Cajun Delight taps into the popularity of traditional Southern dishes. Finally, emerald okra, meets the needs of the processing industry, ensuring a steady market for growers. The profitability of these okra varieties is not solely based on their individual characteristics, but also on the broader trends in consumer preferences. As health-conscious eating habits gain traction, more people are turning to fresh, locally sourced vegetables. Okra's nutritional benefits, including its high fiber content and low calorie count, make it an attractive option for health enthusiasts. Additionally, the rise of plant-based diets further fuels the demand for vegetables like okra, which can serve as a meat substitute in various dishes. Furthermore, the sustainability aspect of okra cultivation cannot be overlooked. Many of these varieties require fewer resources than other crops, making them a more environmentally friendly choice for farmers. This aligns with the increasing consumer awareness of sustainable farming practices, enhancing the marketability of okra. In conclusion, the top 5 most profitable okra varieties, Clemson spineless, Burgundy, Lady's Finger, Cajun Delight, and Emerald, each bring something unique to the table. Their distinctive features, adaptability, and alignment with current market trends ensure that they not only thrive in the agricultural sector, but also provide lucrative opportunities for farmers. As the demand for okra continues to grow, these varieties are poised to remain at the forefront of profitable crop production, contributing to the rich tapestry of culinary traditions and sustainable farming practices around the world.